Hello, how to solve n times n equals 1 over 125, solving for all values of n. So I can multiply this left-hand side, n times n, that is n power 2 times n. We have n power 3 equals 1 divided by 125. Now I can replace this one here with 1 power 3 because I want this exponent to be the same. Then I can also replace 125 with 5 power 3. So I'm going to have n power 3 equals 1 power 3 divided by 5 power 3. Now, if you have a power c divided by p power c, this equals a divided by p raised to the power of c. So we have n power 3 equals 1 divided by 5 to the power of 3. So right now, the next thing I'm going to do will be to move this over here. So I'll simply have n power 3 minus 1 divided by 5 to the power of 3 equals 0. And remember, a power 3 minus b power 3 equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. Our a is n and b is 1 over 5, so we have n minus 1 over 5 times n squared plus n times 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 to the power of 2, and this equals 0. So from here, we have n minus 1 over 5 times n squared plus this is n over 5 plus this. We distribute this exponent to each of the terms here. We have 1 power 2 divided by 5 power 2, and this equals 0. So from here, we have n minus 1 over 5 times n squared plus n over 5 plus 1 over 25 equals 0. Let's equate each of these to 0. Of n minus 1 over 5 equals 0. Of n squared plus n over 5 plus 1 over 25 equals 0. So from here, I will solve this linear equation. My n equals 1 over 5. That is my n1. To solve this quadratic equation, we need to find the common LCM. This is over 1. So you have n squared. In fact, the LCM here is 25. 25 divided by 1, that is 25 n squared plus 25 divided by 5, that is 5n plus 25 divided by 25, 1 equals 0. We can multiply, cross multiply, and have 25n squared plus 5n plus 1 equals 0. So to solve this, we make use of the formula method. And the formula is n equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times AC divided by 2 times A. You have A equals 25, B equals 5, C equals 1. So let's input everything right here. Fn equals -5 plus or minus square root of, this is 5 squared minus 4 times 25 times 1 divided by 2 times 25. From here we have n equals -5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 100 divided by 50. From here we have n equals -5 plus or minus square root of -75. 25 minus 100 is -75. And this is divided by 50. So from here, Fn equals -5 plus or minus square root of -1 times square root of 75 divided by 50. So from here, equals -5 plus or minus square root of -1 is I times square root of 75. This is 25 times 3 divided by 50. So from here, n equals -5 plus or minus I times square root of 25 times square root of 3 divided by 50. So from here, -5 plus or minus I times square root of 25 is 5 times root of 3 divided by 50. 5 divided 1 divided is 5. 1 divide this, we have 10. -1 plus or minus I times root 3 divided by 10. From here we can have n equals 1 over 10 of -1 plus or minus I root 3. So we have two complex values here for n, and we have a real value for n, which is n equals 1 over 5. So you can multiply this out, n equals 1 over 5, to check or verify that 1 over 5 times 1 over 5 times 1 over 5 equals 1 over 125. 1 times 1 times 1, 1 divided by, multiply this, 5 times 5, 25 times 5, 1 to 5, equals 1 over 125. The left hand side equals the right hand side after verification, and this has satisfied our solution. So this is it, guys. This is how you solve this problem. I believe you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you and goodbye.